Adrian with Physical Graffiti, Sedona, Arizona. This is Masako.
Hi.
This is our dog Chopper. And today we're going to continue on with the motorcycle build. We are going to weld some parts that we need welded to the bike, onto the bike.
Yeah. 今日もバイクのを作ってる続きです。溶接をやりました。
Yeah, we're going to continue with the mock-up. We have to get all the mounts on there. And I called a fabrication shop over in Cottonwood, get an expert welder to come in and mount these parts that we have. The guy's name is Adam Bean, and he's a real master welder and fabricator, and looking forward to that.
隣のコットンウッドからアダム君をここに呼んで、溶接してもらったんですけど、ものすごい上手。エドリアンも溶接するんですけど、バイクの溶接はちょっと微妙な綺麗にしないといけなかったので、スペシャリストを呼びました。
Yeah, so we'll get the mounts on, and then we're gonna get everything mounted so we can start doing the wiring.
この後にワイヤー電気ですねをセッティングしていきます。
Yeah.
はい。
So we'll try to keep it short and hope you can stay tuned to the end.
Yes. 短くするのでよかったら見てください。
Okay, so this is Adam with what's
there? TAC Fabrication.
TAC Fabrications over in Cottonwood, and he's going to come in today and weld some parts onto the bike. And just working on the seat mounts and the foot peg mounts and a little bit of the fender and the gas tank mounts. So this guy's an expert. Now that is just remarkable. I just can't believe. Man, I'm telling you, man, it looks like he did it with a laser. And you comparing it with his welds. Wow.
Appreciate that.
No, it's really amazing. I would have had holes all in this without a doubt. So yeah, when you don't know what you're doing, call on the professionals. This is Adam Bean from TAC Fabrications in Cottonwood, Arizona. And I'm here to tell you, I'm just blown away. And the only reason I say that is because I've been trying to weld for the past, I don't know, 6 months now. And it's nothing like this. It's just incredible. He said he was welding for like 5 years. It's just beautiful. Look at those beautiful welds. So we got the foot peg mount, the seat mounts, foot peg mounts, the seat hinge, and gas tank mount.